How to use YouTube search suggestion and get ideas. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're stuck on what content to make, YouTube search suggestions are the goldmine for trending and high demand topics. Here's how you can use them effectively. The first step is to start by typing on your keyboard on YouTube search. First, open up your application. Once you open it up, you can find the search icon at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on it, or if you don't find it there, you can find it on the top right corner. Once you get there, you can type in a short example like how to, and then you can use the underscore for more variations. For example, if I just type in how to over here, you can find different suggestions. Now you can check related searches at the bottom. You can scroll to the bottom of the search results and searches related to for additional ideas. Now you can combine this with your analytics tool. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can show your search volume and competition for suggested keywords. You can make content around these suggestions and use exact phrases in your title. And there you go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.